Trevor requested that Beaker Bird come and visit us this morning, and you'll have to excuse me for just a minute while I go and retrieve Beaker Bird. Beaker Bird wouldn't be cooperative enough for me to have him up front here with me, so I gotta go get him, and then I'll bring him in. So Steve's gonna play some music called, is it called Marching?
We are marching.
We are marching. It's kind of cool. So you can be entertained by that while I go and see what Beaker Bird's up to. You don't care, do you? No. Look at these people. What is your name? Beaker Bird. Beaker Bird. Can you say hello? Hello. Yeah. Beaker Bird's a pretty bird. Yes, Beaker Bird is a pretty bird. Pretty bird. Trevor invited you. Yeah. Was it cuckoo for asking you? Yeah. Now, Beaker has been learning a little bit. Sometimes he does a lot more, and other times he does a lot less. Yeah, he's kind of funny that way. I'm going to support you with my arm here. You're kind of heavy. Yeah. Oh, you want to do some animal sounds? Oh, come on. Yeah, just the animal sound. What would you like to do? Can you do an elephant? That's not an elephant. How about a dog? No, that's not a dog. No, that's not a dog. Do a dog. Yeah, that's closer. Look at these. What do you think? Are you a pretty bird? Beaker Bird, a pretty bird. Yes, you're a pretty bird. Did you know that Noah had an ark? Yeah, an ark, and he had all kinds of animals. Yeah. Yeah, lots of animals. Let's see, what do you think he had? A lion? I don't think that was a lion. I'm not sure what that was. Yeah, a cuckoo bird. You like being a cuckoo bird, don't you? Yes, you do. Look at the pretty people and the pretty flowers on her blouse. Yeah. Oh, Beaker. Steve, do you have an animal you want him to do? He might do it for you.
No.
Yeah, well, let's see. Can you do a horsey? A horsey? Yeah, a horsey. A horsey. Like, eh. Can you go, eh? Eh. There you go. Do a horsey. Yeah. Can you do a pig? A pig. Oink, 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 oink. No, oink, oink, oink. Do a pig. That's pretty close. That sounds like a pig. Can you do a dog? There, you did a dog. Hey, if you saw a big cat, oh, you don't like big cats, do you? No. But if you saw a big cat, what would you do? What would you do if a big cat came walking up here? Because you're a brave bird. You're a strong bird. You're a strong bird. Yeah, a strong bird. What would you do if you saw a cat walking up? Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. You tell the kitty to come to you, wouldn't you? You like kitties, don't you? You don't know a whole lot of things because you're still learning, aren't you? Yes, you do. And you do know some jokes, but you rarely ever tell them, do you? No, you usually don't do that because you're kind of shy. Yeah. And how come you pulled my glove off? You don't like my glove? You're sitting on the glove. Yeah, right there. Yes, you are. You're sitting on it. It's your feet. Yeah, you're sitting on it. So why don't you like this one? Oh, okay. Do you have a little hum of a song that you kind of like? I heard you singing one the other day. I don't know if you could do it or not. You want to try it? You think you can do it? You want to try? Oh, just try. If you don't do it right, it's okay. They won't care if you don't do it right. You think you can do it? That was pretty good. I know that you have a friend. Yeah, you got a friend. And I had the same friend. And these old guys have the same friend. Yeah, they do. Do you know who that friend is? Can you say that? Yeah, say it. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah, Jesus is your friend. Are you ready to go back? Okay, say bye-bye. Think your words are pretty hard. Think your words are pretty hard.